Recently, I was out of the house, and I flushed the toilet.
I would hope so.
And so I immediately said, grab the cameras, take a look.
You always bring a camera.
Now listen.
Oh. The elusive gurgle.
So that tells me, without looking, that that toilet wasn't vented.
Okay.
It normally be vented through the lavatory, a thing called a wet vent.
So what is it that I'm hearing? What is that gurgle? Where's it coming
When
from?
that slug of water leaves the toilet, it's going there, and there's air in the pipe, and it's going to be looking for air behind that slug of water, and it needs a place to find it. The only place I could actually find it was pulling it the wrong way down through the drain right here.
Right next to the toilet.
Now, when something is not vented, like this one was, this is what you're going to get.
The gurgling that's coming from that bottle.
Gurgle, gurgle,
is
gurgle.
the gurgle that we heard
Correct.
in the sink.
Now, if you do one thing, and that's introduce a vent.
So now you've allowed the air to come.
Okay.
You okay there?
I'm really
Yeah, you'll do anything.
full contact plumbing. Look at the dip. See it?
Perfect. No
Yeah.
bubbles, no gurgle.
Right. So take a look what was underneath here.
So this is interesting. That's underneath the sink.
That's right. So this is a full S trap, and it's absolutely illegal, and it doesn't allow for venting of the toilet. Mm-hmm. So here it is right here. That big pipe goes by this way. It's looking for air, and it's going to pull this way, and it's going to pull down through the trap. Normally this is half filled with water right here, the trap.
Yeah.
And so this is fully illegal because it's not vented, and it's a full S. Full S means water can come here, comes up this short leg, and now it can actually, by a siphon, can actually pull the trap empty, and that means sewer gas can come in the house.
And so even though we're flushing the toilet, they're connected, and that's why
Absolutely.
it's pulling from the sink.
Absolutely. The way it's supposed to be is right here. If you look behind it, it should come down from the sink. Here's the trap. And the water comes this way, and then there's a pipe right here. This is called a wet vent.
Yep.
This connects down to the big pipe where that slug of water goes by from the toilet, and this continues up inside the house, connects to the highest point up inside the vent system inside the building.
S trap wrong, P trap
Correct.
proper.
That's right.
I mean, how are you going to fix it for that guy?
Well, to do it correctly, instead of this, hold that up, you would introduce a T like this and then try to extend this pipe outside and then up outside of the building or back into the inside the building and connect back at the top.
A lot of work at this stage.
Correct. In some jurisdictions, they let you do this, which is a thing called a mechanical vent. And that would sit right here underneath the flood level of the vanity.
Yeah.
And it would allow air to come in this way to break the vacuum when that slug of water goes by.
No gurgle.
But wouldn't let sewer gas come out this way.
Ah, gotcha. All right. So good information.
Great.
And we appreciate when you flush.
That's right. Everybody does.